Alright everyone, and welcome to the first impressions part of the video. Now I hope everyone enjoyed that real quick unboxing and that real quick feature and spec rundown for the Beats Studio Truly Wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, now in this portion of the video we're going to get into my overall first impressions. We're going to check the overall fit and feel, and then we're going to wrap the video up. All right, so y'all know I had to do it, man. You know I had to do it. All right, I'm not just gonna get an iPhone and not get some truly wireless earbuds to go with the iPhone, just like I'm not gonna just get a Pixel and not get some truly wireless earbuds to go with the Pixel, just like I'm not going to get a flagship Galaxy phone and not get some truly wireless earbuds to go with the flagship Galaxy phone. Y'all knew I had to do it. Y'all know I love doing my earbud videos, right? And y'all know I had to do this review because after this review, I can get into some more budget-centric truly wireless earbuds, just like I can get into some wearables, in particular smartwatches. So if you were wondering, what are we going to take a look at next after I review these? Oh yeah, we got some Google smartwatches. We got some Samsung smartwatches. And you already know we picking up an Apple Watch, because I feel it's only right that if I'm going to cover the budget options, I have to experience the flagship options or the flagship budget options. So you already knew I was going to pick up a pair of Beats Studio Truly Wireless Earbuds. This is probably one of the most high-end budget options that is fully compatible with Apple devices, right? So y'all already know I had to pick it up and put it through its paces. Let's get into this first impressions. Let's go. Now, as usual, all I've done is charge up the earbuds case and then charge up the earbuds themselves, and then I boxed everything back up so y'all can see the unboxing experience. And man, I gotta tell y'all, the Amazon Renewed unboxing experience just keeps getting crazier and crazier. So I did pick this up from the Amazon Renewed program, and I paid just over $90 for this bad boy right here. I'll have my digital receipt thrown up in post, as I always do. But let's get into trying them on. Let's get into my overall first impressions of the fit and feel, and then let's get into wrapping this video up. Let's go. Let's not waste any time. So, y'all can see we got the buds right here, and it is labeled, so it's labeled with your right there. Now, it's hard to see, but there's a gray-white, a grayish-white R right here, so this is the right earbud, and it goes into your ear canal like that. So let me put this right earbud in. Okay. At least I think I put it in right. Yeah, I think so. Yep. And then the same thing for the left. And the left is labeled with a whitish gray L right here. I'm kind of holding it upside down, but it's a whitish gray L right there. And it goes into the left ear canal the same way. Now it's kind of reversed because I got to put it in this way, but y'all get the idea. Let's put the left earbud in. Okay. I think I did that right. Okay. It's kind of loose on the left. Yeah, I think I did that right. Yeah. All right, so the earbuds are in. Let me do a quick shake test. Okay. So no movement whatsoever on the shake test. And I think I activated the transparency mode so I can hear myself talk. These are a fully featured pair of earbuds, by the way. If you didn't check out the featured specifications, these bad boys are fully featured. But shake test, they're good. Overall fit, they seem pretty good. Now, I won't be able to tell for sure until I take these to the gym and I test them out under rigorous workout conditions. But first impressions of the fit and the feel seem to be top notch. Now, let's take the pictures or selfies of the profiles and then we'll get into wrapping this video up. So, Galaxy phone, Pixel, iPhone. Let's use the iPhone. It's going to get paired up to the iPhone after this video. iPhone 11 on deck. Let me take these profiles real quick. Launch it into the camera here. So, front profile. They poke out a little bit. Side profile. Other side profile. Okay, let me see. Let me see what we're working with. Okay, so, yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, all right, so let me show y'all what we're working with here. Let's go. So, here is the front profile right here. All right. And here is the first side profile. All right. And then here is the second side profile. All right. So overall, I have to say, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. All right. Let's get out of that. Now, let's take them out, see how easy they are to take out. All right. Oh, they came out relatively easy. So there's the right. And then here's the left. Okay. There's the left and there's the right. So first impressions of the Beats Studio Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. I have to say, the fit seems pretty good. I like the styling. Overall, they seem pretty comfortable. And I was able to get it for a really good price. So I am super excited. And y'all know, after I finish the full review, we're going to rock out with these three heavy hitters right here. So there's the Galaxy phone, right? Here's the Pixel phone and the Pixel Buds right here. And then we got the iPhone and the Beats Buds right here. So y'all know, after I finish this review on the Beats Studio Truly Wireless Earbuds, these are going to be the three heavy hitters that we rock out with. All right. And y'all already know I'm still giving y'all samples with the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. And that's actually the device that recorded this whole video here today using the rear-facing 50 megapixel camera. This video has been recorded in 4K at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. All right. And we are using the professional studio lights here today. Okay. So let me know what you think of the overall lighting of the video as well. That being said, man, that does it for this one. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would love to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Also, feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link up all the social medias that I have down below as well. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up any and everything featured in the video at some really great prices, all the affiliated links will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it's a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Oh yeah, I'm super excited, man. Let's push stop so I can get into this testing. Let's go. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.